What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready for 2 afternoon breaks today. The first one is our first go at a group break of our jersey boxes. We've done a lot of personals the first release day. We have 3 boxes in this break. We are full, 27 spots. 2 teams are doubled up. Let's check it out, guys. Good luck on the first one. There's going to be lots more where this come from. 1240. 1240, here is your team list, or sorry, your names. John Tucker down to Tyler. Let me make sure I grab the right list. John Tucker, spot 1. Yep, John Tucker, spot 1. All right, and then we got Anaheim down to Winnipeg, as you'll see a couple teams double up. Vegas, New Jersey, St. Louis, Minnesota, Carolina, LA, and Islanders, Arizona. So there's your teams. Now let's figure it out. It is 12:41. Good luck, good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp. Timestamp is on 3. Is at 12:41. 12:41. Last and final, we'll do it on our teams. Fourth timestamp on the teams. 12:41. And 12:41 it is. Washington up top. Vancouver at the halfway. And then we got New Jersey and Vegas down to Minnesota and St. Louis. Now, there you go. There's your teams. We got to match up names. 12:42. John to Tyler. 1, 2, 3. I almost panicked because there's 27 names, not 30. So you're so used to doing group breaks. Third timestamp on the names is at 12:42. 12:42. Last and final. Copy them over. Fourth and final says 12:42, and 12:42 it is. Jonathan McGraw, top spot. Nathan, halfway. Vancouver. Paula to Jordan. All right, folks, there's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in, I think, 2 o'clock is the break, so in about an hour and change. Thanks again. Good luck. See you soon.